Understanding test anxiety and its effects on performance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many test takers face: test anxiety. More specifically, we'll look at how test anxiety can affect your performance, especially when you're preparing for crucial exams like the TOEFL and IELTS. By understanding this phenomenon, you can better prepare and strategize to conquer your nerves. Let's get started. Test anxiety is an uneasy or apprehensive feeling one might have before, during, or after a test due to uncertainty or fear of failure. It's completely natural for humans to feel nervous in situations where there's a lot at stake. However, for some individuals, this anxiety can be so intense that it interferes with their ability to perform well on the test. Cognitive effects. Test anxiety can lead to distracting thoughts or mental chatter, making it hard to focus on the questions. This can cause memory blocks, making it difficult to retrieve information you've studied. Physical effects. Symptoms might include sweaty palms, a racing heart, and even nausea. These physical manifestations can be distracting and make you uncomfortable while taking the test. Emotional effects. Intense feelings of fear or hopelessness can arise. You might start thinking, "I can't do this," or "I'm going to fail." These negative emotions can hinder your ability to think clearly and logically. Behavioral effects. Due to anxiety, a student might rush through the test or second-guess their answers. They might even avoid taking the test altogether out of fear. Here's something to ponder. Anxiety can lead to poor performance, and poor performance can heighten anxiety for future tests. It becomes a vicious cycle. By recognizing this cycle, you can work towards breaking it. Awareness is the first step towards managing and eventually overcoming test anxiety. Test anxiety is something that many of us face, especially with significant exams like the TOEFL and IELTS. By understanding its effects on our performance, we can find strategies to manage and overcome it. Remember, it's okay to seek help or use resources to address this anxiety. You're not alone in this journey, and with the right tools and mindset, you can conquer any test that comes your way. I hope this video has been enlightening, and I wish you all the best in your test preparations.